This program is being brought to you by
Who will be the Philippines' next top model? Who among them will appear on the Country Style Bible? Watch out for the Philippines' next top model. Hear 'em out the end. And Preview Magazine.
Ang susunod na programa ay nangangailangan ng patnubay ng mga magulang. Gabayan po natin ang ating mga anak sa panonood.
This program is brought to you by Evian Natural Mineral Water, Evian Facial Spray, L'Oreal Paris, because you're worth it, and in partnership with Preview Magazine and Manila Bulletin's Eye Section.
Previously on Philippines' Next Top Model, we've chosen our final 14, moved them into the house, and subjected them to their very first photo shoot. When it was time to meet the judges, ang tahimik na si Jaina came out with an explosive photo shoot. And the lackluster performances of Marge and Kay prompted the judges to send them both home.
I have no picture in my hand.
Who will be eliminated tonight?
Hindi ko iniisip na magaling ako. Basta nakikinig lang ako kung anong sinasabi nila.
Jaina is a quiet person. She's kind of mysterious. So I thought parang naku, her personality doesn't pop. Maybe that would be to her disadvantage. Nung elimination, di ba, they were telling me na sayang, model look, tapos hindi ko na panindigan. Nag-think in talaga sa akin yun.
Today you will learn one of the most important skills that a model should have. So don't forget to bring your high heels with you. Love, Rufa. Oh!
What's up, girls? Today, I would like to officially welcome each and every one of you to your first Teach. You will learn the basics of catwalk skills. At the end of the day, I will transform each and every one of you to become runway divas just like that girl. Hello. How are you, Wilma?
I'm good.
As you all know, si Wilma na-discover ko habang nagwawalis sa Cavite, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, nabigyan ko siya ng image from being a simple Caviteña to become a top model. Now, you have to go backstage, run, put on your heels so we can start our catwalk journey. Go! Go, go, go!
We had our first speech, which is about runway training, which is super interesting for me because it's something that it's like one aspect of modeling that I really want to get into.
I want to see you down the catwalk, Jada.
ina-expect ko po, o-okray na naman niya ako. Kasi nung screening sa Intercon, sabi niya parang hindi daw ako nag-lunch kasi wala daw akong kagana-gana maglakad.
When Robbie was like, asked us to walk, he didn't really like my walk at first.
You see, girls, there's a lot of room for improvements for each and every one of you. And that is the essence of this competition. You are being honed to be the Philippines' next top model. Ngayon, Wilma, ano ang unang mong natutunan na word na hanggang ngayon ina-apply mo?
Attitude.
Tama. It's attitude. Can I hear that again? Attitude. One more time, louder please. Attitude. Very good. Now, we will do this again. Girls, I'm ready to see you walk again down the runway, this time with attitude. Too much movement on the hand. Too much movement on the hand. Control it. I like the way you went out the first time. Pose. More energy. Come on. Stride some more. Bigger stride, girl. Walk with the rhythm. Walk with the rhythm. Level head, please. Very good. Bigger stride. I love this. Very good, Rina.
Sa catwalk, sobrang sablay talaga. As in, nakaka-disappoint kasi hindi kasi ako sanay mag-heels. That's my big problem.
Katuwad. Naninigas ka, iha. Kabaong na lang, ililibing ka na. Masyadong pang-pageant ang kamay. Masyadong pang-pageant ang kamay. The right rhythm. I love this walk. Masyadong magalaw ang kamay. Control the hands. Masyadong magalaw yung kamay.
Relax.
Relax mo lang yung kamay mo. Masyadong ikot. Isa lang yung ikot.
Nung una ko lakad, kung titingnan muna nila Robbie yung walk, magulo daw ako. Gusto lang pala nila, simple. Yun lang pala hinahanap nila. So, yun lang pala eh.
Well done, girls. But that's not the end. We're just beginning. We have a next exercise to do. It's all about role playing. As models, you should know how to internalize as well. Para rin itong artista. Ang kaibahan, you're only equipped with the right walk, the right strand, your hand movements, your posing, and your eye contact. So Wilma and I prepared some roles for you to portray. Okay? Look at your roles now. Anong role yung pinortray mo?
Frog.
Frog ba yun?
Bambi, what did you portray again?
Baboon.
Bambi, you know what? Even professional models cannot give me that kind of performance. Excellent. Jem, maaari mo ba explain sa amin sa isang salita kung ano yung role mo?
Seductive. Snake.
Ahas? Asan?
Eye contact na siniseduct mo yung isang one person. Parang gusto mo siyang tuklawin.
Isa.
Ano yan? Kite? Ha? Eagle. Eagle. Kala ko kite.